Every Saturday morning when I get up, I'll walk around my apartment complex. And last time I was out, I thought of a couple of cool counting math problems. I guess counting was on my mind because at the time I was teaching it in class. And so I thought of a couple good ones. So my apartment complex is situated in a place where there are 4 loops. All the apartments are placed around 4 different loops that I walk every day, every Saturday. And you can walk any loop coming from any loop. So you can walk the loops in any order that you want. So the first question is, in how many different orders can I walk all 4 loops? That's the easy one. How many different orders can I walk all 4 loops? So there's like A, B, C, and D, say. How many different orders can I walk? The second one was, suppose I want to walk a loop clockwise or counterclockwise, and I want to hit all 4 loops. How many different ways are there for me to complete my walk if I'm going to walk all 4 loops, and each one I have the option of walking clockwise or counterclockwise? So, for example, I could walk the loops in the order A, B, C, D, and clockwise, 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 clockwise. That's one way. Or A, B, C, D, clockwise, 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 counterclockwise. That's a different one. How many of those are there? How many possibilities? And the third one, which I thought was a really good one, is suppose I want to walk each loop twice. So I'm going to do 8 loops in all. And I want to walk each loop clockwise and each loop counterclockwise. But I don't want to walk the same loop back to back. So each loop comes in 2 times. Once I'm walking it clockwise, the other time I'm walking it counterclockwise. I can do it in any order I want, but the restriction is I can't walk any loop the same back to back. So, for example, if I'm starting out and I walk loop A clockwise, I have to walk somewhere else before I come back to A to walk it counterclockwise, and so on and so on. So if that's the restriction, how many different ways can I walk all 4 loops twice with no loop back to back? And I guess a different one would be, suppose that I'm only walking clockwise, but I still want to do each loop twice, but not back to back. How many different ways are there for me to do that? Try it out. Leave the answer in the comments if you get one. Thanks for listening.